Yes, soul retrieval is deep work, but the way it shows up afterwards is often quieter and kinder than you might expect. I want to talk about soul retrieval side effects in a grounded way so you have a clear sense of what tends to happen for people. Soul retrieval is a shamanic healing practice that brings back parts of your essence that stepped away during trauma or overwhelming experiences, sometimes also from relationship messiness. When those pieces return, you become more whole. That's where the soul retrieval side effects come in. The most common things I see are very positive. People often notice more vitality or a steadier inner strength that quietly builds over time. Old hurts can feel farther away, there's more emotional ease and more room for joy. A lot of people also report clearer thinking and less inner argument with themselves. It's not just I feel like myself again. For many people, it's I didn't know that I could feel this whole, as if a new baseline of well being just arrived. There can also be some short term integration effects. Some people feel tired for a day or two while their system reorganizes around the deeper healing. Others notice vivid dreams, sometimes gentle emotional release, or subtle physical sensations. In my experience, these soul retrieval side effects are usually gentle and pass within a few days. I do want to say that I'm speaking from my own practice. Different practitioners work in different ways and collaborate with different teams of guides, so soul retrieval side effects may feel stronger or show up differently if you work with someone else. What I'm describing here reflects the very gentle, well held way my guides and I tend to work. Where it really gets interesting is in relationships and work. When your soul essence is present, it becomes much harder to tolerate situations that are misaligned. You may find yourself speaking up about things you used to swallow or realizing that certain jobs, dynamics, or relationship patterns simply do not fit anymore. This can feel disruptive in the short term, but usually points you toward healthier, more authentic choices. I've sometimes known people to stop long-term addictions overnight, although admittedly that is more rare. There's also what I think of as collateral healing and upgraded destiny paths. When your soul is more whole, its natural wisdom can touch every area of your life. Patterns that used to trip you up may not run the same way. New options and opportunities appear that were just not visible before. If we haven't met, I'm Katie Weatherup, a former engineer, and I've been a shamanic practitioner for about 25 years. I've done more than 10,000 shamanic journeys, and these are the soul retrieval side effects I consistently see with my clients. If you're curious about soul retrieval and whether this work might be a fit for you, you can find my full article and details about booking a session on my website. Links are in the description.